chicken roll in a bowl. Chicken roll in a bowl. Okay, so egg rolling with chicken in a bowl. And I have some items here to show you. Today I'm using chicken. You could use chicken breast. You can use wings. You could use whatever you like. I'm using thighs and I cut them into some small pieces. And then you need an onion. And I have an onion over here. And then over here I have our other things for this. I have some beautiful colored Swiss chard and some cabbage. Because we're going to make this in a bowl. And we're going to use chicken meat today. And then I'm going to make a sauce over here with some chicken broth. Okay? And add just a little bit of soy sauce, low sodium soy sauce, to give our flavor with just a little bit of 5 spices. And what do we say the 5 spices are? They are cinnamon, anise, fennel, ginger, clove, and licorice root. This is your Chinese 5 spices. And if you want to keep your carbs low, don't put it over anything. If you want them a little bit higher, put it over rice, put it over some Chinese noodles, and there you'll have a complete dinner to feed your family. And to be done, here we go. And what we're going to do next is we're going to make our videos to show you how to do this. So if you want to watch our shorts. This is our chicken egg roll in a bowl. And this is Peter Carpizzos thanking you as always. Smash those like buttons and smash those subscribes. Out!